Today we are making an easy snack, Weetabix. It's easy and super fast to make, and it's also delicious. Hello and welcome to Cook with Antoinette T. On this channel, we post super easy and simple and delicious recipes. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch the videos. Please remember to like the video. Also, if you're a new subscriber, welcome and feel at home. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need Weetabix and milk, and that's all. Enjoy the video.